Good morning, stream. Good morning. Good morning. Market is about to open in 2 minutes. Probably less than that, but market's about to open 1 minute. In 1 minute, and then we'll be able to see if we get a trade today. Hopefully today is a green day. We can maybe make up for yesterday's losses. Maybe even get some funded accounts today. Really trying to max out those Apex accounts. I'm at 9 accounts right now. I would like to get to 20 very soon by end of week. And yeah, so I'm excited for today. There's no red folder news, nothing like really crazy to move the market, but I think we should be able to catch a good trade. 5 minutes looking a little choppy. You can't really see it, but 5 minute does look a little choppy right now. But it looks like it's potentially broken out of some of the downward trend. So I'm expecting maybe we can get some bullish momentum here today. Maybe we can get a London low and then hopefully maybe attack Asia high. We'll see. Kind of just watching. I'm also looking at like what does the hour look like, right? We had this move. Can we maybe get price into the discount of this range or premium of this range like that? Can we maybe attack that 50% line up here? So yeah, that's what I'm kind of looking at. I think if anything, this is the play today. We'll probably attack this 50% line up here in this range. Same for the 4 hour, right? 4 hour could probably go a little deeper for its range, but the 1 hour has that range right there. So I think it's gonna go down to London low maybe and then shoot to Asia high. I think we're gonna attack the 1 hour 50% line on the premium and discount of the range. I think it's gonna head to premium, so I think we're gonna go long today. I'd be surprised if we didn't. Hey, thank you so much for the follow, Vince D. Appreciate you. Appreciate you following. Yeah, I'd love to have you and your buddies on the stream. Please add me up on Discord. Me and my friends want to learn. Yeah, so I don't ever send friend requests, but if you would like to join my Discord, Vince D, the link's in my bio. It should be on Kick. Let me see. Let me see if it's in there. Let me see. It should be. Channel. Mute this. London session ends at like 6 a.m. is what I mark out. Oh shoot, I just realized I did like 1 million of myself. How do I just realized oh wait, in about customize channel. Let me see if I can add this real fast. Let me see if I can add this. No. wait, I just realized I never did this. Facebook. Let me add it to my bio right now. I don't know if this will work, but there we go. Okay, I should have added it to the bio. Vince D. So if you'd like to join my Discord, you totally can. Links in bio. If not, go to like my TikTok or YouTube or whatever, or X. X is probably the best spot. Here you go. We'll see. I'm excited for tomorrow and Thursday. Good morning. Because tomorrow and Thursday have Red Folder News. Tomorrow has it at 5:30 a.m. and 6:45. And then Friday has it at 7 a.m. And then whatever day 2 means. I don't know that it. Jackson Hole Symposium. Oh, it's a Federal Reserve thing. Message. Create. So I'm bouncing around. All right. What are you guys doing? Oh, for the draft, yeah. What? Ah, I see. Wet. Anthony, you might get that one model playing out here. Oh, no, but it's not going to do it. Never mind. It almost was. Well, the 5 minute already closed out. Doesn't matter the size. It doesn't matter about the size, Anthony. It just matters how you use it. Okay? Remember that. Yeah, it looks like it's going to give it to you. You market sell. You don't limit sell, you market sell. And you shoot for 2R. Oh, we're hitting London low almost. Ooh. Almost there. Almost there. I'd have your first take profit at like London low or day low right there. Because it could reverse. London low is, if you look at my screen, it's like almost there. Because if it is just a setup for long, I'm going long. I'm going longy dongy. Oh, dang it, didn't hit it. Watch it not hit London low and just rip. Just leave us behind. We're like, sick. I've never actually seen it not hit the session though before it rips up. Yeah. Not when it's this close. All right, let's see if we get a liquidity sweep. Give us a liquidity sweep. Yeah. But I'll also watch the 5 too, because I have the 5 on my screen too, so I still watch the 5. Yep. Yeah. Yeah, I watched the 1. Yeah. You risk those days where it just shoots through it. Like yesterday, it hit it and it just shot through it. So, yeah. All right, there we go. So we do have this order block here. This has to hit it, yeah. You should know how to mark out linen low, Anthony. If you don't, maybe after I can teach you after this trading session. Yeah, you should always have London, the session highs and lows marked out, and day highs, lows, week highs, lows. You should always have those marked out. Because you'll see every day goes to one of them, at least one of them. Yeah, the 5 minute does look pretty bearish right now. Because the no, 5 minute just broke structure all the way down. Holy crap. The reason why I was wanting to go long was because of this. So look at the 1 hour. This range for the 1 hour, we haven't hit the discount or premium before it continues it to go short. So I was expecting us to go up, hit the premium of this range before we go short, but it looks like it's just going to do a continuation. So maybe not. I mean, this is how it looked yesterday, and then it started chopping. Nope. Nope. Don't do that. You will be in. You'll either get wrecked. Yeah. It already hit 2R. Holy. It's just gonna shoot. Is there another day low down here? Yeah. I would have taken partials on that. Leave one running. Because, dude, once it kind of breaks out of the orb, it tends to go to that direction. For a little bit. Nah, dude, we're so early in the market. We've only been in the market for 15 minutes. Yeah, we could get a V. We could shoot all the way back up to those highs. I'm interested to see how the hour closes. And the 4 hour, how much time is on the 4 hour? Yeah, I'm interested to see how the 4 hour closes too. You're right now in a 4 hour for value gap, so it could this could be where it ends, or it could just keep shooting. Do the day time frame real fast. Day time frames in a day order block. And a fair value gap. Are we hitting in the discount? This range. Yep, we are. I think this is where we could find a reversal. That's huge. Jeez. Oh my gosh. Oh, you know it's crazy? There's a unicorn. There's a unicorn at the orb. Right where Anthony was gonna take it, there was a unicorn that formed. Yeah. But I'm wondering if I would like to backtest like within the 5-minute orb if a unicorn forms. What's the probability on that? Like if you take a unicorn that forms within the orb before it breaks out. I would like to backtest that, see what that does. Cause then that can help you get those opening moves, you know? Maybe, yeah. Yeah, there. Oh. Classic orb. 219 points for market open. From that one strategy, you're up 137 points. Holy smoke. Look at this dump today. Why is everything dumping so hard? Let me go. Oh, dude, the 1 hour just. Huh. Yeah, you have to have 30 green days on the account. No, they definitely can deny you. Yeah, they can deny you at any time. Yeah, they still have their rules. They would still have their consistency rules and stuff. But if you're able to follow the rules, get to 30 days, you can take out $1 million payout. Yeah, if you broke the rules, yeah. That's why it's important. That's why, like, on these, like, it's really important to follow those rules, because, like, the thing with Apex, you can take a huge payout if you're able to follow the rules. That's why everyone loves Apex, because they by far will pay you out the most. I think, because you gain 20 accounts, you get those 30 green days, but you just got to be smart. Like, that's my goal. My goal with these Apex accounts is slowly grow them, get 2 payouts, and then work to get 30 days in the account, and then take a huge payout. You could. Yeah, you could. I did. That's what I did. I made a 5K account, and I just trade. No, we're almost at day low, the next day low. So hopefully there, maybe we can get something. This is crazy though. Hey, dude. This is crazy. How many points is this now? We're almost at 300 points. No, it doesn't. Oh, it hit a day low up way up here, but there's not a day low where we're at. No, technically I still can. It hasn't formed a unicorn yet, and it hit a session liquidity, so it hasn't formed a unicorn yet though. So technically, if it formed a unicorn, a bullish one or bearish one, I could still take it. After 300 points. They go, and we're like, all right, maybe now we can go bullish. It goes another 300 points. We're like, oh, sick. So yeah. The orb, is that one you're saying? Yeah, you could still use it. Yeah, I get it. Yeah, and you see it work. Yeah, that one will work a lot of times because it's a very popular strategy. Good morning. Yeah. Let's see at 5:30. Let's see, 5:30. You come up. Dude, honestly, I'm at the point that I feel like it'd be so good to just start trading every day at 5:30. Like, there's a unicorn right here. You would have gotten tapped in on this move up. Boom. And just shoot rockets down. The thing that's hard right now is like, why did it just do that? I don't like, why is it just skyrocket? Okay, there we go. Give us a liquidity sweep. Oh my gosh, still no unicorn. This isn't a unicorn. Didn't engulf it. Did engulf this one though. There's this bullish unicorn forming. Swept these lows here. So you have a liquidity sweep. You hit higher time frame point of interest way up here. Yeah, it's the wick of the breaker block. But I can't buy in yet. I need a fair value gap in it. Yeah, creating that fair value gap. Alright, we got it. Liquidity sweep. Yeah, it has to close out of the green box. Looks like it might not give it to us. Okay, doesn't even give it to us. No, I'd rather take it away. I'd rather give us a bearish order block, and then if it's gonna keep going short, we get that short opportunity. Well, we do have this order block up here. It took away that fair value gap. Okay. This is not an order block. Okay, this was the only one. Oh, there is. That first candle inverted 2 fair value gaps. And then it retraced, tapped you in, and then it literally skyrocketed down just for a massive amount of the very first candle. Yeah. That. Same with the second candle. Second candle would have done the same thing. Inverted some, then you would have gotten tapped in. So you had 2 opportunities. What's your thoughts on ETH? I like ETH. I'm in a long currently, so I'm a fan of it. Sorry, I'm going to pay attention to this trading real fast. I kind of want to see if we get a short, though, here. No, not if we get a short. Liquidity sweep, order block. Up these highs. Wait, why is my mouse so laggy? Dude, why is my mouse so laggy? You did. You got it. And you would have just gotten tapped in. It doesn't. This is the one time it doesn't. After all that move, it's like, no, we're going to skyrocket. Anthony's in. Skyrocket. Displacement. How'd you not set up? You had 5 minutes. Oh wait, stop loss can go. Alright. Alright, maybe putting in for a short here. Oh wait. Oh shoot. This is supposed to be the entry. See if we get tapped in. Two big fair value gaps. I love it.
Order filled.
Alright, I'm tapped in. This one would be yeah. It's either day. Yeah, first take profit will be at day low. Buy limit 2. Yeah, that's the day low. That's the nearest liquidity. That's the nearest liquidity for us. Come on, work for us. Give me some fun at accounts. Go to the day time frame, mark out the low that hasn't been hit. That's the nearest low. This is big line. No, the nearest day low, I have it marked right. You're not looking at the right time frame. You are. Go to the day time frame and look at. Let me see. Let me look at your screen real fast. No, it's that wick. It's a wick. That wick down there on the day time frame. No, that's the current day. The day to the left. That black wick all the way down there. Yes. Yeah. It's not even 2R. Oh, we're getting a funded account. Oh my gosh, dude, I'm about to fund 11 accounts. Oh my gosh, dude, I'm about to fund. I'm gonna have 20 accounts on APEC. I'm about to fund actually a total of 16. Do not retrace back up, please. It is giving us a good 5 minute. All right, come on, just shoot down to the freaking day low. I just think this not to retrace. Like, I needed to just keep going down to fund these. I wouldn't be mad if it created a little 5 minute order block, but I would prefer just to go. If that's just a displacing candle right now to the downside. Like, just give us a quick one. Just bang right into it. Please. Please. I just need please don't retrace. Dude, no. It's the freaking trailing drawdown. Okay, good. Come on. I'm like 90% sure this trade's gonna win, but I just can't have it like go up or it's gonna blow the accounts that I'm trying to get funded. I need it to literally just go down a little bit more and it gets funded. Oh my, that gave me like $600 of drawdown almost. I almost blew him there. Oh my gosh, I need like $300 more and they're all funded. 300 more and I get up. Oh my gosh. Why are they not? Oh my gosh, I have 20 Apex accounts. Let's freaking go. Oh my gosh. That was so scary. It almost blew them to then funding them. It literally gave so, oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, dude. Because I knew it was gonna do that. I know it's gonna go down. But I'm like, please don't retrace too much because you will blow my accounts. Oh my gosh. Dude, that's 16 accounts funded right there. I did 11 for me, so now I'm at 20 and then 5 for the others. And then now, yeah, I'm done with Apex. Oh my gosh. Now I just scale them. Oh my gosh. I'm literally like shaking a little bit, dude. Oh my. Yeah, dude. I was like, dude, because that's the most I've ever put on, like, trying to pass at one time. That was kind of a lot of money. So I was like, dude, if it blows, that sucks. But, dude, I'm so glad they're done. Yeah, put stops in profit. Oh my gosh, dude, my heart is like racing. It almost blew them. Holy crap. Oh my. Yeah. Oh, dude, I'm so glad I'm done with Apex evals. I think it's still working. I think it's gonna go to day low. I don't think it will. Now I'm fine. Now I'm chilling. Are you? How many contracts you put on? Okay. Oh, okay. Yeah, if you hit 7, you're probably in the green on your account. No way. As soon as we enter a trade, it just starts chopping 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 candles in a row. Three, two, one. Yeah. Oh my gosh. No way. That's stupid. Yeah. But the nice thing is at least we're not in drawdown, we're in profit. Just chop around in profit, not drawdown. We did get a 5-minute fair value gap. Not right now. I have it turned off, but I have an indicator that does that, yeah. No, I'm saying the 5-minute fair value gap that just formed after that candle closed, yeah. I don't know if we're still inverting candles. Let me see. No, we haven't inverted a candle in a while, or a fair value gap in a minute. Yeah, I love night mode is the best, dude. Come on, can we close above this wick low? There we go. Come on, displace. Displace. Natalie. It's going. Oh shoot, I'm up 370. Oh, I'm up 400. Let's go. Oh my gosh. Come on. Hit TP. Natalie, tell it to hit it. Just talk to it. Yeah, there you go. Bully it a little bit. That MNQ yesterday gave us a spanking. All right, almost at TP. Oh my gosh, we're so close. Let's go. I'm up 500 right now. That's heck of rare. With the contract size I'm doing, this is rare. Yeah, dude, we'd be up crazy. Oh, and now you retrace a little bit. Sick. I'm gonna move my stops down to the swing high. Oh, that 1 minute, Zachary, just so you know. I'm moving my stops down to the 10:11 a.m. candle. Hacker, she doesn't know. Chill. Zachary tweaking. Zachary's about to have an aneurysm. That's okay. At least we make. I'll make at least 150 some bucks today, or $100 maybe. Zachary. Well, you'll make more than me. I'm making 100. You're probably making 300-400. Oh, we might get a 5-minute order block. Oh, we might get a 5-minute order block. Oh, it's gonna stop us out. Yep, it stopped us out. What, dude? That's a green day. Why are you mad? You made like $400 probably. Oh my. It might. It still could. All right, that's a good day. Good day. Hey, that's a good day. Green day's a good day. PSP. How much you make? And now what's your count at? You'll be back. You'll make it back. Oh. I'd wait until it hits, if it does hit day low, but that sucks. You want to know how many I have, Anthony? I have more than that. Yeah, I have 26. Oh, it's a green day, bro. Green is green. I love me some green. Eh. That wasn't a good RR. I mean, today's just not a good trading date. It was a good trading day if you had a different model, but for this model, it just wasn't the best. It's 11 times $140. Oh my gosh. Huh. I might next time pay a little bit more attention of how many points day low is away from our entry. I didn't realize we're up 82.75 points. Bro, then take your profit. Like, you don't have to wait for me to do it. I know I didn't realize it was 100.5 points away. I just was like, okay, that's the model, set it up. It looks so little, but I didn't realize how big this is. Nah, I was locked in on setting it all up. I did not hear that. I didn't realize that. I wish I would have. I would have probably actually taken one TP at 50 points, probably, in hindsight. I think it will go to day low. The fact that it got this close it's most likely going to tap day low. It could not, but it most likely will. But I'd rather exit, make a little profit, and then see if it comes all the way back up to my stop loss and then come down. I'd rather just take that. Would it be sick if it hit it? Yeah, but I don't want to sit around and wait and see. And technically, for the model wise, we're supposed to move it down on 1 minute or M1 swing lows or swing highs. So we did that right. I'm fine with it. All right, stream. That's it. We've only been on here for an hour. We're done for the day. Another good day. I'm very happy with today. Profit is profit. Another green day. We funded another 16 accounts today. I got 28 bank accounts. Yeah. Funded another 16 accounts. Like, I'm happy. I'm happy with that day. Very proud of it. And yeah. Yeah, it's a great day today. I'm bummed we kind of missed out on this massive move. I'm bummed we didn't get an entry up here, but whatever. We were able to catch a little move here, and that was great. I mean, we caught, even at our stop loss, we caught 16.25 points. I'm bummed I didn't kind of pay attention to how big this was, because we should have probably locked in a little bit more profit. I just didn't realize how far we already were, but that's good learning lesson. But yeah. Let's hang on, they're asking me questions. Yeah, what's up, Anthony? Yeah, let me just close out my stream real fast and then I'll show you. All right, let's mark up let me share my screen, or let me actually first share the PnL. Let's see what our PnL is for the day. Let's see what our PnL is. This is a crazy day for sure. Our PnL is going to be crazy today. But it also includes evals. So, it's going to be nasty. Let's go. Holy crap. Holy crap. Hey, peep the PnL. Peep the PnL. You don't have to mention that, okay? Okay, if I took them off, I'll show you when you take out the PAs. That's a sick day though. That's sick. Because one day we'll be doing this. It is sick. I'm happy with it. All right, let me take off the PAs. Let me take off the PAs. All right. Let me see. Let's take off the PAs and see what we actually made with actual funded accounts. And PAs still count for profit. You still made that money today. I still count it. Yes, I would. It's only 3 in Q. All right, let's see. This is what it is without the PAs. If you take away the PAs, it's $3 grand in profit today. Hey, but PAs are still, that's still profit you made. I still traded that and made that on those accounts. I still count it as profit. I still was able to trade it, capitalize, and make that money. All right, let's get the board. All right, let's get it all edited on our whiteboard. Okay. Nice. Can you hear me? Nice. Myself on the Discord real fast. All right, so again, I'm gonna tell you guys, I recommend you guys do something like this. Either get a piece of paper, either get something, but mark out what you're doing. Mark out if you made mistakes on that day. Mark out, you know, what is your PnL? How are you doing? What is the model? Write things down. I use it all in TradeZella too, so my trade journaling, I can share that with you guys too. I'll show you guys what I did today, how I have it set up. But I highly recommend you guys use some form of journaling. Paper, whiteboard, the TradeZella, Google Docs, something that journals your trades. It has been a huge help for me. It's been a complete game changer for me to get to where I'm at now today, to be able to fund 16 accounts, to be able to have a PnL of, you know, 3K of actual real money today, that I'm able to make 54K of across all 50 accounts that we traded today. Like, yeah, that's I highly recommend you guys start doing that. Okay. But yeah, I recommend use the links in my bio. I have links in my bio in the description down below of TradeSyncer. It like gives you 10% off if you use code Maniac, which is the thing that I showed you, the PnL with that can copy 50 accounts. I'm copying 50 accounts at one time that are able to execute at the same exact thing that I'm doing. No other platform allows you to do that, I think, as good as TradeSyncer. There are other ones, but it's definitely, in my opinion, not as good because it allows you to use TradingView. And then also TradeZella, link in my bio. Use that to sign up. I highly recommend you use TradeZella. Let me show you what I do for that one. TradeZella is my favorite tool. I backtest on it. That's how I create my models. I mark out my days. So like, let's resync this real quick. So across all my PAs, this is what I actually made today. Let's see what it shows. There we go. So we're down a little bit still. We're still a tiny bit red today, for the week, 820 bucks. But let's go here, view details, go to my trades, click these all. Then we're gonna add it to my playbook, my unicorn one, boom. So this one, obviously we could have done a lot better. We missed out on a lot of that profit of what it did. What is all this? Okay. Could have been a much greener day, but we're still green across all of our accounts. So why isn't my July showing up? Why is this? These stats are not working. There we go. That's more accurate. Oh, we're up $6,500 across all of our accounts. 46.5% win rate, 1.14 profit factor, 58.82% day win percentage. Average win to loss is 1.3. So Very happy with this. And yeah, we're just, and the thing I love with TradeZella, I'm able to see what is working, what's not working, and how I can do better. So like today should have definitely, we should have been paying attention to the points. That could have helped me locked in a lot more profit than what we actually were able to lock in. So yeah, I definitely should have been paying attention to points. Because like, what is this higher here? 55. Yeah, we would have easily gotten 50 points. Move stops down to break even. Boom. Yeah, I'm still in here. I'm about to close out my stream right now. All right, everyone. I'm going to call it for the day. Just want to share that with you guys. And I'm going to head out. I'll see you guys tomorrow morning for our trading.